This is for Year 11 methods. It comes out of 3.2. It's question 2. Find a factor for each of the following cubics. Don't divide. So we're just asking for one factor. So look at 2c. I've got 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 9x plus 5. If I was to put in a negative number, a positive number, that's not really going to help me anything because I just add them all together and I'd never get 0. So I'm going to try negative 1. 2 times negative 1 cubed plus 6 times negative 1 plus 9 times negative 1 plus 5. Negative 1 cubed is negative, so that's minus 2. Negative 1 squared is positive, so that's plus 6. Minus 9 plus 5. 6 and 5 is 11. Minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11 equals 0. Bingo! Since p of negative 1 equals 0, therefore x plus 1 is a factor. Question asks, find a factor. I found a factor, x plus 1. If I now consider the last question, 2l. 4x cubed minus 17x squared minus 12x minus 15. Okay, so I might start p of 1 gives me 4 minus 17 minus 12 minus 15. No way I'm going to get negative. How about p of negative 1? That's 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Negative 1 squared minus 17 plus 12 minus 15. That's also not going to work. So maybe p of 2. 2 cubed is 8. 4 eighths are 32. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 17. 68. So that's going to be minus 68. And negative 2 times, that's minus 24 minus 15. No, that's not going to give me a 0. P of negative 2. This will be 4 eighths are 32, but it will be negative 32. This will be negative 4. That's still going to be minus 68. This is going to be 2. That's going to be plus 24 minus 15. That's no good. P of 3. Must need a calculator soon. 3 cubed is 27. 4 27s are 28 carry 2, 108. It's going to be 108 and it's going to be positive. Minus 17 times 9. 63 carry 6, 153. And then 3 times minus 36 and minus 15. That's not going to be any good. P of negative 3 is going to be, that will be minus 108. That's still going to be minus 153. It's going to be plus 36. And that's going to be minus 15. Okay. I have a 15. I got a minus 15. 1 could go into 15. 3 could go into 15. 4 couldn't. 2 couldn't. So I need to use P of 5. P of 5 is going to equal 4 times 5 cubed minus 17 times 5 squared minus 12 times 5 minus 15. Okay, 5 cubed is 125, so that times by 4 is 500. Minus 5 squared is 25 times 17, 35, 14, 17, 5, 1, 5, 2, 225. Minus 60 minus 15. no good. Just double checking this, that's a 2, which means that's a 425, which means that's a 425, which means that's a 0. Therefore, that's going to equal 0, so x minus 5 is a factor.